Shabbat Shalom, everyone. We are in Masechet Avodah Zara, page number 4 over here, just doing the Shabbat shopping over here. We're talking all about fish, and just want to touch into and continue something from yesterday. Yesterday we learned that Rabbi Yehuda said in the name of the sage Shmuel, he says that why other people compared to the fish of the sea, it was to teach us that just as fish will perish, let's just say, if they leave the water, so do the people will perish if they abandon the Torah. And we're talking all about fish. Again, we did a special edition yesterday. But what's interesting is now that we're coming into Shabbat, we're actually in Parshat Shlach this week, one of the main aspects of the mitzvot is the mitzvah of Oneg Shabbat, to honor the Shabbat in of itself. And what is one of the things that we eat is a dog. What is a dog? We call that fish, naturally. Now, it's interesting. What's the numerical value of dog? Now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work this out. Dalet and Gimel is 4 and 3, so equals 7. 7, that encapsulates. Number 7 is 7 days of creation, 7 days of the week. That's why, how important it is to have Oneg Shabbat. And one of the things is the fish. And we actually learn, we stated about on various occasions, with the famous story of Yosef Mokir Shabbat. Yosef, who honored the Shabbat, he always bought them most delicious, most lavish foods. And one time, they had that gigantic fish and they didn't know who to give it to. They said, Yosef is going to buy it. So he bought it. He said he doesn't really need it, but he's going to buy it anyway. What does he find as they cut it to prepare it? A massive margaret, massive diamond. And Hashem rewards us. And one of the mitzvot of the Torah, the beauty about it is the honoring of Shabbat. So wishing you Shabbat Shalom, and don't forget nice fish this week.